Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a get ready with me for absolutely no reason. I'm not going anywhere, you're not going anywhere, I hope. I have not put makeup on in the last like 3 days, so it feels really weird because I usually do my makeup every day because I'm going to work, but obviously because I'm a hairstylist, I have not been working, which has been really shitty. So throughout this video, I might have to switch over to a different camera and it's gonna look a little bit different, but I fully charged this battery in this camera and it already is telling me it's dying, so I either need a new battery or a new camera. So if you guys just want to sit back, relax, watch me get ready, or get ready with me for no reason, then let's just jump right in. Alright, so my first product I'm going to go in with is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm just going to grab some of that and put this right here. Alright, so now for foundation. This has been my go-to foundation lately, and this is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. This one is in the shade MG5. I love this foundation. It is so good. It's so full coverage. It lasts for a really long time, and I just really like the way it looks on my skin. So we're just gonna blend this out. How have you guys been doing? I'm literally losing my mind. I liked having the option of being able to leave, although for whatever reason, I feel like when this all passes, hopefully it does, I'm still not gonna wanna go anywhere because I'm gonna get so used to not having to leave the house that when I have to leave the house, I'm not gonna want to. Because that's just how life works. When you can't leave, you wanna leave, and when you can leave, you don't wanna leave, so that's just the way of the world. I've been getting so bored that I cleaned my entire room. I went through all of my beauty drawers and I got rid of makeup I'm not using, so that was productive. So I mean, I guess that's a good thing. I think I'm gonna next go through my clothes for like the 20th time because I feel like I'm going through my clothes and putting stuff on Poshmark and getting rid of stuff all the time, but my clothes just keep piling up and I have no room for them. So I think I might tackle that. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I've also been watching so much Netflix that I've already gone through so many series. If you guys are looking for a good series to watch, I highly recommend Glitch. It is so like different, but I really liked it. Me and my boyfriend watched 3 seasons of it. I think there's only 6 episodes in each season, so they aren't like that long of seasons, but I really enjoyed that show. It's really good. So if you're looking for a good show to watch, definitely watch Glitch. Also, Lock and Key is really good as well. Let me know your suggestions down below. I pretty much have watched like everything, but let me know down below what you guys like to watch, whether it be a movie or a series. Anything, I'm open to suggestions. Please let me know down below. I would highly appreciate it. All right, now I'm going in to my Milk Makeup Cream Contour Stick, and I am just gonna put this anywhere that I want to contour. This is just an extra step, but I really like doing it because for whatever reason, it makes my bronzer kind of last longer. So I'm just gonna blend this out. And also, if you're like on the go, when you can be on the go, this is a good product to use. If you're someone that doesn't even really like powder, you can just plop this on and it really warms up your skin without being cakey or anything like that. So it also blends out really easily, as you can see. So I really love doing this step, even on days that I'm not doing a ton of makeup and I just want to like bronze up my skin. I will just go in and use this because it's so easy to blend and I just love the way it looks. Alright, so now to set my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Banana Powder. I love this powder so much. I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques powder sponge, and I'm going to put that right under my eye. I am putting a decent amount, but I'm not going to leave it on for too long. And then I will just take some and just press this all over the rest of my face and also kind of blend out what I just put under my eyes. I don't like it to sit for too long, so I will just kind of go around my face and just push that powder in. And then I'll go in with a big powder brush and just fluff this all over my face just to make sure I got all the powder. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in to my Smashbox contour and I'm just going to grab this shade in the middle And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my cheekbones. I'm putting this anywhere that I put that cream contour. Then I'm going to bronze the skin with the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in the shade Capri Coast. I'm just going to buff this around that same area just to kind of bring a little bit of glow. Alright, I will do blush and highlight after I do my eyes. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows and I will be right back. So now for my eyes, I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes. This palette is stunning. I picked this up probably like 2 weeks ago and it's so pretty. I'm just going to do like a simple quick look using this. So I'm going to go in with the shade right here called Seashell, and I'm just going to grab that and just fluff this into my crease as just a base color. I'm going to zoom you guys in. So I'm just going to fluff this all over my crease. Just going to do a simple look, nothing crazy. Oh, we are out of the frame. Then I'm going to go into the shade Warm Rose, the shade right here. And I'm going to put that right on top of that into the crease. I'm kind of bringing this shade in right here, just into like my inner nose. I just like the effect that it gives and just buffing that out. So now I'm going to grab a smaller brush and I'm going to go into Truffle, which is the shade right here. Just taking a little bit of that, I'm just going to buff this right in the outer crease. I just want a little bit of depth in here, so I'm just going to darken that up just a little bit. I like to place that color down and then go back in with that same blending brush and just go on top of that just to blend even more. I just find that it's better to just place the color down and then kind of go in and buff it out after. It's crazy to me what is happening right now, because it's crazy to me how something like this is happening in the world. And this is like something that I kind of have always feared. Not necessarily like what exactly is going on, but I always was afraid that like something was gonna happen like this. And now that it is, it just doesn't feel like real. Like every time I wake up, I'm like, oh my God, this like is not a dream. Like it's actually happening. People are losing their jobs and people are dying. And it's just a really scary situation. I just hope that this all passes soon and I'm able to go back to work. It's just something that scares me being a hairdresser, is that, you know, people are gonna, you know, start doing their own hair at home and then not want to come back. You don't know what clients are going to actually come back, and I'm not getting paid right now, so it's just really scary. And I just want to be back to work, and I want this all to end, and I'm sure everybody does. So I'm just taking that same color and just bringing it kind of out into a winged liner. So now I'm just mixing Seashell and Warm Rose, the two shades that I put in the crease, and I'm just putting this right on my lash line. And then going in with that same shade right here and just pushing this right up against the lash line. So now I'm going to go into Swan, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to put this right on the inner portion of my lid just to really brighten it up. I didn't think I was going to do a complete matte eye, but I'm kind of feeling it, so. I'm going to go in with the shade Glistening Snow right here. This reminds me of like a pressed glitter. I'm going to go in with that, and I am going to spray my brush because it is kind of like a chunky, loose glitter. And I'm just going to spray that. And then we're just going to put that right in the inner corner. Alright, so my other camera did die. So like I said, I went in with this Glistening Snow shade. And I did spray this with some setting spray because it is like a loose glitter. And I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. I'm going to go in with some liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my lash line with the thinnest line. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline gel liner, and I'm just going to put this right in the waterline. Alright, so now for mascara, I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara at the moment. This is the NYX On The Rise mascara. Like, do you see how good that is? My lashes look insane. Like, amazing. The reason I like this mascara so much is because it keeps your lashes curled the entire day. It is amazing. Alright, so now for blush, I'm going to go in with my MAC Peaches blush and just apply this. And for highlight, I'm going in with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Love this highlight. It's just so pretty. I think because it's a baked highlight, it just really looks so pretty on the skin. Just gonna spray this all. So for my lips, I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 0.5. And then I'm going to go in with MAC lipstick in the shade Angel. And then I'm going to go right in the center of that with KKW's lipstick in the shade 1.5. And that, you guys, is the finished makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like anything over the top, but I just feel like I'm not going to really do like crazy makeup tutorials. So I just wanted to keep it natural. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to support me. I could use it right now, especially because I don't have a job. If you guys are not subscribed, I would love if you would do so down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!